In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Beeper app or program on your Windows computer. So if you have been using Beeper and you no longer need it on your Windows computer, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps to uninstall it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to uninstall this program, you need to go ahead and look for control panel on your Windows computer. However, if you can't see this control panel all here, then head to the start menu and then here just search for control panel like that. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the control panel program. Look for programs and features. Here, if you click on this, all the programs that you have on your computer will be listed. Go ahead and look for Beeper, and in most cases, the programs will be arranged alphabetically. So my Beeper app is here. I'll wish to uninstall it. To uninstall it, go ahead and click on it, and then you should see uninstall on top here. If you don't see uninstall, you should right click on the program and then you will see uninstall. Go ahead and click on uninstall, and here you have to confirm if indeed you are sure you want to uninstall Beeper. I'll click on OK, and I'm told Beeper is running, so I have to click OK to close it. I'll click OK, and once it is closed, now it will be uninstalled, and you can see the shortcut has been removed. So if I go back to control panel and look at the list, you can see now Beeper app is no longer among the programs that I have on my Windows 10 computer. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Beeper app on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.